all the special invitees, all titled men and women in this home, in this event, a very good evening to you all. You're all welcome to this beautiful event put together by Mrs. Nkechi. I'm not going to waste much of your time. Already, the MC has introduced me. My name is Ngozi Mwenzu. I'm a specialist practitioner, district nurse in my area, Cut Cross, chronic disease management. Just going to say a little bit of diabetes and how it has affected the population in Nigeria. We all know diabetes. We here in the Western world, we understand. I assume that everyone understands what diabetes is. And even if you do not understand what diabetes is, you must have come across someone or a relative who suffer from the disease. Diabetes is inability of the body to metabolize carbohydrates. Thus, excess sugar is expelled into the bloodstream, whereby causing amounts of sugar in the bloodstream where insulin is absent. Insulin isn't in the body. I'm just trying to break it in a sort of a way, simple way, that even a layman can understand what it is. In Nigeria, let's go in there. A lot of people live with diabetes. They are unaware of it. They live with it. They do not know they have diabetes. So one of the reasons why, what I understand the elite golden ladies are into is to create awareness of this disease. Yes, one can have diabetes and you can still live a healthy, normal life only if you are able to diagnose it on time and get it treated and manage the disease. It is a condition that hasn't got a cure but can be controlled. However, if uncontrolled or if untreated, can lead to many conditions, deadly conditions, such as eye problem, which is retinopathy, such as kidney problem, which is nephropathy, the nerve problem. You can also have a foot problem and cardiovascular problem. But if this is arrested at early stage, all this can be managed. The prevalence of this disease is going to double in the next 2 decades. It's going to be a very big issue if not arrested on time. Creating awareness of this disease is very paramount to those NGOs, to those who are involved in talking about diabetes. Ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Ladies actually are here to ask for your support, for them to be able to create awareness and support all the rural people who are living with diabetes and those who haven't got the means of them being able to live. Sorry about that. And those who haven't got the means of getting close to the treatment or getting close to the local area where they can, obtain medical treatment, especially things like checking your blood sugar. It could cost them a lot of money. Going to the hospital could cost them money. But if they don't have it, they don't have the money, they will live to say, oh, Jesus will cure us. They could end up in churches. They will end up in every mushroom healing ministries and things for them to obtain healing. But one thing I understand, when I had a word, just yesterday I'm asked to make this presentation. The lady here who is the founder and the president of this association, she said their mission is to raise money, get down there, get blood sugar machines, create awareness. The most important thing is people, if they are able to make an informed choices, get the information out across to the rural people out there, and then they will be able to make an informed choices to be able to empower themselves and look after their health then the mortality rate will be reduced. I will employ everyone here today to support the best you can to see that this aim and the aim of this event today is fulfilled, no matter how little it is. Medical equipment is very vital to save the life of our rural women and the people out there in Nigeria. It is very vital. This is just the way I want to wrap it up. Diabetes is a condition that one can live with if managed properly, but if not, it can lead to a high mortality rate. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.